In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly invite an accountant to collaborate with you on Zoho Books. This can be particularly helpful if you're managing your business finances and need expert assistance directly within the platform. Let's walk through the process together, step by step. To begin, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Zoho Books. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and enter your credentials to access your account. Once you're on the Zoho Books dashboard, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you haven't already. The dashboard is your central hub and designed to provide you quick access to essential financial data. Now, from the dashboard's main menu, locate and select Settings. You'll find the Settings option typically situated at the upper right corner of your screen, represented by a gear icon. Upon clicking it, you'll be directed to the Settings menu, which contains various options related to your Zoho Books account. In the Settings area, you'll see a list of options on the left-hand side. Look for the Users tab and click on it. This is where you can manage who has access to your Zoho Books account and control their permissions. It's a crucial area, particularly if you're working with a team or external partners, like accountants. Once you're in the Users section, focus on the option labeled Invite Accountant. Clicking this will initiate the process of adding an accountant to your Zoho Books account. You'll be prompted to fill in your accountant's details. Be sure to have their email address handy, as you'll need it to send the invitation. Enter the necessary details carefully to ensure that the right person receives your invite. After entering your accountant's information, simply send them the invitation by clicking the appropriate button. Your accountant will then receive an email with instructions on how to join your Zoho Books account. This process allows them to access your financial data securely and assist you with managing your books. And there you have it. You're done. By following these steps, you can invite your accountant to collaborate smoothly on your Zoho Books account. This setup makes financial management more straightforward, allowing you and your accountant to work together more effectively. As we wrap up, I want to emphasize the importance of choosing an accountant you trust with your financial data, given they'll have access to sensitive business information. Once they've accepted your invitation, you're all set to benefit from their expertise and insights directly within Zoho Books. If this walkthrough was helpful, remember to subscribe to our channel for more practical guides and tips. Share this video with others who might also find it useful, and feel free to leave any questions or thoughts in the comments section below. Thank you for watching, and have a great day exploring Zoho Books.